Hey guys, it's Molly here at Stylist Detail, and I'm super excited because we have another Decorate With Me. This is the office bedroom space. You guys voted for office, so we went that direction here at the Flip House, so let's check it out. Before we dive into the fun part, make sure that you have subscribed and hit that bell to be notified of future videos because we've got lots of good stuff coming with this flip home. And also, let's take a look back because this room, it had some quirky stuff. Really cool windows always from the beginning, but it again had the pink trim, like the doors and trim were that peachy color, so luckily changed all that. Also, it had a weird shelf ledge above the window, which actually I felt made the room feel smaller. We were able to take that out, open things up. And yeah, I think the overall, I mean, it's not like with bedrooms there's a ton of change because you don't have, you know, like ugly cabinets or something in here, but it's still, I think, got a whole fresh new look, and also changing out the light fixture did a lot too. So we'll look into those details. This piece you'll notice is sitting here because it is heavy and solid, and I try not to move the big furniture stuff too much just with hitting walls and things like that. So definitely we have this already in place, but love this piece. Check out our furniture unboxing video in case you missed that. It shows this and some other pieces that we got with an awesome coupon code too. So definitely one I'm loving. Love that texture that it brought into the room. And speaking of texture, same thing with the art. You guys might recognize this one over here. I used two of those in the last flip house, and I was able to find this one that has a little bit different pattern, so they're awesome together. Really affordable from TJ Maxx online. They are sold out right now, but I'll put the link just so you know kind of what to look for and watch for those to come back. I love how they look like, they're actually canvas, but they look like plaster, which is cool because that's very on trend and just really neutral and simple. I keep the artwork in flip houses like really low key, just because you don't want it to not be someone's taste. Like people have kind of strong reactions to artwork, so I try to keep it really subtle. I mean, mind you, there'll still be some hater that's like, what is that? But we do what we can, and keeping it neutral I think kind of like also keeps the room like not dominated by it. We have almost this subtle, it's like it's almost the same wall color but just a little bit of texture in here. So really pretty, and I think it looks great over this console. I struggle at hanging art like when there's two together. It's the hardest thing for me, so luckily Mike Bear, our contractor, put those up and they look amazing. The rug is here too. This one is a Loloy rug from, it's the Amber Lewis collection, I believe, on that one. And so I'll of course include links in description for you to shop. But love how like subtle the colors are. It looks really high end, looks kind of like a vintage rug. And it's nice and flat. It's one of those that just lays really flat quickly. It doesn't like, you know, it's not fussy. It's just like, just slap it on the ground. All right, so let's start moving pieces in. We've got the sofa to bring in so that there's some seating in here, make it kind of like a sitting room / office. So it's really functional. We got the sofa placed, and this one, I think ideally for a space like this, a sleeper sofa would be amazing because then you could have it kind of function as a guest room too. I was so curious about this Walmart one, I had to order it, so it came, and I'm really impressed with the cost for the value. I mean, yeah, it's not like the highest end sofa, obviously, but like for something like this where you have kind of like a sitting room, I think it can be really good. It's a faux leather. It's actually pretty comfortable. It's like, you know, it's a little on the firm side, but I think it's pretty darn good. Like, I was really happy, and I like how the leather of this ties in with the leather poles on the cabinet too, like kind of a cute little across the room balance. And then of course a desk. We need a desk. I love putting desks in like the bay window area because then you just kind of have like this view. I mean, it's mostly the neighbor's house, but I'm saying you can see the outside, and it's just kind of like nice. This is how I have our desk at our house as well. It's just kind of tucked into the little bay window area. Even the same thing I did at the last flip house. Just love a desk in a bay window. It just kind of utilizes the space well, I think. So we are actually going to jump to decorating now, some of the fun pieces. Oh, Ben, show them the light fixture because this one, I think really changed the space and gave us, we had tall ceilings. It's 10 feet in here, I believe. So might as well take, you know, your eye up to that space and make it feel really like a statement, and just, you know, especially from what it was before, it just feels a lot more fresh. So I'm gonna bring in one of the coolest decor / meditation like pieces that I've ever seen. This is a brand new product that we got from HomeEdX, and we're gonna love it. My kids have been addicted to this all week. So here's what I'm talking about. This is the HomeEdX Drift, and it is like the coolest Zen garden experience type thing you've ever seen. So it has all these patterns that are in your phone. It's got an app where you can select different designs and you can change the speed, the brightness, like you can totally customize it, and it makes these designs. It's like literally the most relaxing thing ever. Anyway, my kids have been watching this and mesmerized this entire week because we just got this, and I was like, this would be so fun to put in the office here. I think it's like one of those things that like you don't even understand how cool and fun it is until you see it. Just so fun. So anyways, this like little like ball bearing type thing just moves and creates a pattern and brings your life joy you didn't know you were missing. When HomeEdX reached out and told us about this product, I had never seen it, and Ben and I were both like, oh my gosh, we have to work with them because this is the coolest thing we've ever seen. Ben was like, I want it. We can't even leave it here. We're taking it it's gonna probably be on Ben's desk. I kind of actually think I'm gonna fight for it because it actually really calms you down. I don't understand like the science behind that. And I was so happy to see my kids get off of their devices. It's pretty darn cool. This is the cream, and then there's also a black one, and it's just like a really cool like conversation starter, little kind of calming meditation type of thing that you can kind of have if you want to like have even more zen in your life. So anyway, really cool product from HomeEdX that I wanted to show you guys, the Drift. All right, let's finish our decorating. Also, I love how clean and modern that is. It works in with our design well. We're gonna bring in a couple more things for this corner and then get on our desk as well. If you follow my Instagram stories, you know how excited I was when I found this pot and some others. This one was such a good deal. A little dusty, but worth it. Looks like an artifact, really good size. Love that natural raw type of finish on it. It was $29.99 at HomeGoods, so you couldn't really beat that deal for that size of pot. And I thought, oh my gosh, it'd be so fun to put a tree in it because it's a little bit different size. A lot of times you see more of a planter type of thing for trees, but I was like, this would be really cute. So let's get our faux tree in there. Whoop. I'm hitting our light, but we'll make it here. So this is such a cute tree. I love this one. It is, I think it's the 7 foot. I'll link this one. A really good faux. I've used this before in other like client projects and things, and it's a really unique looking tree. Feels really fresh and just has some good like movement to it. You can kind of see like how the stem is a little bit like organic and natural because it's not like a lot of trees have that just like kind of round shape to them. This one's like doing its thing. Got an eyebrow raise from Ben for that, so I felt like my moves were a success. Got our light swinging after I hit it. It's good. Everything's just really zen. This is what we need on filming days for Ben. He can just keep watching. You see, I'll show you guys a little. I'm like hypnotized.
We taking breaks?
We're taking zen breaks. It's good for your health. Okay, so back to our tree. Cute faux tree in the corner. Gonna give us that pop of green. Kind of bring some of the indoor or the outdoors in. You know, we've got the green out there, a little green in here. And for the desk, I have a really fun chair. It's my favorite chair. You probably know it. So definitely this is my like go-to chair. I have used this at countless desks at this point, but it's just got so much good detail, and the wood, you can see this like natural raw wood with that woven, ooh, it's so pretty. Woven leather seat, just so well made. Love this one. And when it's on, I swear when it's on sale, like I like buy it every time. Like, I need another one. But we've sold it with the houses, and so I have to keep getting it because it's so good. So that's gonna be our desk chair here. Back at our last house that we sold, it was my desk chair for a while, probably over a year. So I love it, it's really pretty. I will say it's not like the most, you know, if you are looking for an ergonomic desk chair, this is not gonna be that. But I do feel like it, you know, it fits your arms well and all that. So it's kind of a good in-betweener if you want the style. But if you want a really comfy desk chair, that's not the one. Get the hideous one that fits your back. Obviously, every desk needs a...
Desk.
No, I didn't even think I said desk. Ben said I said desk. Every desk needs a computer and a box for storage. Actually, it's funny I say that because at home, we literally have like boxes on Ben's desk, which I had them there decoratively, and they are now filled with his pens. So if you want a pen collection, It's where to do it right there. Cute little pot for over here. Just give us a little bit of interest on the desk. Always love some books. These are fake ones for styling. Oh, they don't even open. You literally can't open those suckers. Okay, real fake. But they look cute, right? A little look. You should use real books if you have them. I don't know. But those are really cute. People hate when I do stuff for only cuteness though. I get so mad. Remember when I made that reel that one time? I made a reel once that went viral. It was the first reel I ever made. Had over 1 million views. And like, people were saying, I did shelf styling and it was so cute. And they were like, why are you filling those shelves with useless items? It was like books. Like, apparently people don't read anymore. Like, anyways, I'm still mad about it.
You're so mad.
I'm still pretty mad about it. I try to be somewhat useful, but also I make things look pretty. Like, that is my job. That's my job. All right, let's bring in some more accessories. All right, stack of pillows. While I'm thinking about it, you see this window? You probably see how nasty that is, do you? We had this mud rain yesterday, so we did get the windows cleaned, but who knows what has happened out there since. We need to get those re-cleaned, I guess. That one's got like moisture, like condensation. Okay, anyways, windows will get cleaned, but some really fun pillows. I just wanted to bring like a little bit of texture and really neutrals. Layer these up. That one's, I love that one. It's got some really cute, and this is a Gap Home one from Walmart. Just a really simple, like white. I sometimes like just like a solid color when we have patterns mixed in, and then this is such a fun throw. Love the like texture on that. Just put that over the arm so that this feels really cozy and inviting. Get the fuzzies off. What else do we need? Oh, I think I have a vase I'll put over there to balance out the drift. Oh, and we did woven shades in here. I'll link those. They're similar to the ones that I used in our own home. Imagine this with a weird shelf over it, like I have a little roof, a little indoor roof. People loved plant shelves in the 90s, and it's so hard because like they were just, I mean, I guess they did put dusty plants on them, but they seem so not useful, and just having this open, it feels way bigger in here, which I love. This is another just really fun vase. I'm loving vases that have like the cutouts like this. This is a piece from my Austin Avenue collection. I'm going to be sharing more. I keep hinting to you about Austin Avenue because they're so fun, but I do have more coming on that, and this is a piece from that collection. So really kind of just a finishing touch for this side of the room. We didn't really do anything with the closet in here, just painted it, but it is nice because then it is technically a bedroom. Thank you guys for checking out the office. Be sure to check out our video next time because we'll be going a little more in depth into the products and total up. I need to total up how much this room costs because I think we did pretty good. Want to check out what we ended up there. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of future videos as well. And leave us a comment. Let me know what you guys think about the new space, if you like it as an office. I like it so far. I haven't lived here, but I would live here. And oh, thumbs up, give us a thumbs up. That'd be fantastic. Yeah, and we'll finish up this video with some befores and afters so you can kind of compare. See you next time.